So I stopped going to the press briefing, okay? And I decided today to go to the press briefing to ask the ministers certain questions that is some things that taking place in St. Martin, and I wanted to get some answer. For my surprise, the press briefing didn't even started. The Minister of Justice, Anna Richardson, walks in, and then a while, then the Prime Minister walks in. I don't know what conversation they had. I registered, they registered me. I sit down there. The Department of Communications, as the DECOM, never told me they have an issue with me. I was instructed to where I need to sit. They tell me I'm going to be the second one to ask questions, how the things and the procedures goes, because it's a good while I didn't show up there. So anyway, when the Prime Minister come in, sit down, and when she come in, she sit down there, and we're about to start. Then she calls an official from the DECOM, whisper something to her, and then the young lady comes to me and tells me I need to come outside. She has something to tell me. So I pick up my things and I come out, and she tells me that the Prime Minister said that I can't be in there because I'm an employee of the government. When the Prime Minister was in opposition, I visit the Parliament, I go to the press briefing. When she was part of the press briefing, government, not as Prime Minister, I goes there, I ask my question, and never ever was disrespectful to nobody in there. So why are you going to put me out because I'm a government employee or something? But I can tell you there is something cooking, because I can only assume, because I openly said that the next election I will be running. They seeing that who I link with, the party that I link with, maybe they don't want the questions. Maybe I am too harsh on questions on Facebook, and I complain